It is a joke designed merely for entertainment purposes. It is absurd, no legal basis. It is beyond normal imagination.
Katawa-tawa lang. Ito ang sagot ni Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Navy sa issue ng West Philippine Sea, sa paulit-ulit na paggiit ng China sa 10-dash line bilang kanilang batayan sa pag-angkin sa halos buong South China Sea. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, hindi gaya ng China. Ang Pilipinas ay may sapat na batayan sa karapatan nito sa West Philippine Sea.
Suffice it to say, we have a lot of international jurisprudence that would support the stand of the Philippines. We have the 2016 Arbitral Tribunal ruling. We have our Constitution. It is very clear that Palawan is part and parcel of our archipelago. Pronouncements like this by a foreign power should be taken with a grain of salt.
Ayon kay Trinidad, ang claim ng China ay isa lang joke na walang kahit sino man ang tumatawa. Marami aniya ang posibleng target ng pag-angkin na ito ng China na walang batayan.
There are different audiences that could be the target of releases like this. Number one could be the internal audience of the Chinese Communist Party in order to provide a strong narrative to support the grip on power. It could be the Filipino population. It could be the international audience.
Una nang sinabi ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Chodoro Jr. na malaking kasinungalingan ang 10-dash line ng China at walang bansa sa ASEAN ang sumusuporta sa claim na ito.
All of us are against, even ASEAN, much as they would like to claim. No ASEAN country accepts the legitimacy of that 10-dash line because that is the biggest fiction and lie that can be sold to any right-thinking person.
Samantala, isang welcome development naman para sa Armed Forces of the Philippines ang posibleng pag-deploy ng Estados Unidos sa bansa ng panibagong Mid-Range Capability Missile System o MRC.
This is a welcome development for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. As we can say that is the more the merrier, no? So the more assets that we have, the more also that we are able to train more personnel on our part. So tinatanggap po natin to willingly.
The Philippine Army will welcome itong mga ganitong events dahil nga mas mapabilis natin yung training ng ating mga personnel. Sa ngayon kasi maliliit lang yung personnel na natitrain natin. So we welcome this kung mayroon man darating.
Ayon sa AFP, malaki ang maitutulong nito para mas makapagsanay pa ang mga sundalo ng Pilipinas sakaling kailanganin ang nasabing kagamitan. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.